Since 1991, nothing has been done. Denied were the accusations, worthless they were called. But are all aware of the Kunan Pashpora case, have you been told? We live with fear in our home. I'm Kashmiri, this is where I'm born. We all bring our problems before our Lord, to question why our women were raped and the blood of our men poured. The Indian soldiers abused their power, breaking into houses, choosing victims, raping and torturing by the hour. Kashmir is now fully red, as there isn't one who hasn't bled. Our land contains bodies given a brutal death, suffering until their last breath. Now is blood that fills the rivers. Hearing the stories, everyone shivers. The women cried in silence, and the men screamed in pain. These agonizing acts inflicted upon them, driving each one insane. That was their call for help, but nobody had heard. Each tear was ignored, so was each word. It's justice that we ask for. We want our children to experience the innocence of their youth, not worry about soldiers at the door. The skies have witnessed the atrocities, and the people have seen the blood on the floor. All we ask is for Kashmir to be beautiful once more. One side the earth is healing, the other side is heaven is bleeding.